Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you for tuning in this time to my 2,943rd edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, remember the risk involved in trading. Risky. I promise you, this is a risky business. We lost trading soybeans today. I've been doing this for 44 years. We lost trading soybeans today, but we have stops, and we always place our stops first so that we live to fight another day if we do have a bad day. Take that advice. Let's move on. So video 2943 for trading on Thursday, 7/17/2025. Traders, I have a neutral OMNI. OMNI is neutral. It told me not to buy, not to sell, just stay away from U.S. indices. So we've got a neutral OMNI. The chart you're looking at would beg to differ, wouldn't it? It would beg to make you think that we've got a buy opportunity showing up here, right? I mean, look at this chart. Why wouldn't this be a buy opportunity? So I think Omni's gone neutral, not bearish. I have a feeling that they're going to come in and buy that area right there. It would make sense. I call this the Trump got it all wrong rally, because that's all we've seen since the guy's gotten in office, right? He put up some tariffs. He gave us a buy opportunity. Don't know if anything was on purpose. And boom, the market has reacted ever since. The Trump got it all wrong rally. The reason for this video is to let you know, A, we're neutral OMNI and E-mini S&P NASDAQ Russell for trading on Thursday. And B, please click the link below and join my webinar today if you're watching this on Thursday. If you're watching this Wednesday night, it's tomorrow on Thursday, 3 p.m. Eastern. Click the link below. I'm working on that webinar right now. I just stopped to give you this quick message. When I'm done with this message, I'm going right back to work on that webinar, and I'll be ready for you at 3 p.m. tomorrow. Click the link below. It's absolutely free. No credit cards are required. Come hang out with me tomorrow at 3 p.m. Eastern, and let me show you what's going on in the markets. Traders, thank you for tuning in. Be at my webinar tomorrow. I'll have a lot of charts to go over. We'll see what it looks like, where it can go, and what we've done in the past as opposed to where we can go in the future. I'll try to cover as much of that as I can in my hour-long session tomorrow at 3. Traders, good luck out there. Remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll. Webinar tomorrow at 3 p.m. Eastern. Click the link below. Sign up. I'll see you all there.